Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens single box random team number 2. So pretty much from all the other breaks, we got 3 boxes left in this case, waiting on a case hit still. So this is number 2 here. So these are the names of everybody that's in this break here. So I'll quickly just scroll it down just to make sure you guys are in this one. So 28 names, so appreciate a few of you guys for filling up. So here we go guys. So actually I forgot to pull up the dice. Just gotta random the dice roller. So we're gonna roll dice, so 4 and 5. So that's how many times we're gonna go. We're gonna do the list 9 times. So 9 times here guys, so good luck everyone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th and final time guys. Good luck. I guess we still don't have teams yet. So we got B Monroe on top and PC Cameron on the bottom. So copy, and so we did randomize the list 9 times there. So we'll post this list here. So B Monroe and PC Cameron, and these are the names or the teams, the 2 combo teams, the Blues and Senators, and the Jets and Coyotes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th and final time guys, 9. So we got the Washington Capitals on top and the San Jose Sharks on the bottom here. Okay, so I'll just make sure. Yeah, so Sharks on bottom. Okay, so here we go guys. So B Monroe with the Capitals, Puck HD 27 with the Penguins, Wolves Nemac with the Blue Jackets, Rockster Hate with the LA Kings, Puck HD 27 with the Senators and Blues combo, J Tint with the Bruins, Potvin 2012 with the Vancouver Canucks, J Tint with the Red Wings, Fairview Collector with the Stars, PC Cameron with the Panthers, Wolves Nemac with the Colorado Avalanche, PC Cameron with the Islanders, Smitty Utah with the Sabres, PC Cam with the Preds, Rockster Hate with the Wild, Davidson with the Ducks, Smitty Utah with the Blackhawks, El Donko with the Tampa Bay Lightning, PC Cameron with the Toronto Maple Leafs, Smitty Utah with the Rangers, J Tint with the Flames, Fairview Collector with the Oilers, Mark Noel 14 with the Hurricanes, Smitty Utah with the Flyers and Devils, PC Cameron with the Canadiens, Smitty Utah with the Jets and Coyotes combo, and PC Cameron with the Sharks. So those are everybody's teams, and I will post them on a Breakers page here, then also just as the extra giveaway here. So we are giving away priority signings, so we're just going to random it right now before we rip our tin. So this is Scott Lawton from last year's priority signing, so 14 to 50. So to everybody in the break here, so 1. So we're just going to do this 9 times 2, so name on top is going to receive that one. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th and final time here, guys. Winner name on top is going to receive the Scott Laughton Upper Deck priority signings from the Toronto Expo. The winner is Smitty, Utah. So congratulations, Frank. Yeah, randomized this list 9 times, so congratulations, Frank, on the priority signings. And on to our tin here, guys. Sorry for the... Oh, I'll verify that for you here after, Patrice. I'll do that right after I'm done this. So, we're going to do the middle box here. That's Pixel 6271. So, good luck, everyone. So, 2 boxes left from the case, and we are waiting on a case hit, so we'll see if it comes out tonight. So, the other boxes, I think, are 31 and 61, I think, are the other last 2 boxes there. So, good luck, guys. And then the eBay cup break, we'll do that right after here, because I know a couple of you guys are in the room here right now, waiting for it. We're waiting on a case hit from that one, too. Hopefully our McKinnon drought ends here soon. So it does look like we have a Brilliance here. So here we go, everyone. Good luck, good luck. Let's go pull up the team list here. So we have ourselves a base card for the Carolina Hurricane, Eric Stahl. Eric Stahl for the Hurricane. Can't see if that's Carolina on my list here. It's going out to Mark. Mark, no, 14. And nice patch. For the Anaheim Ducks, we have Frederick Anderson. Frederick Anderson. Oh, that's actually a very nice patch. 90 of 249. The Ducks belongs to... Jeez, I can't even see who has that. Davidson. Going out to Anders. Next one is a signature patches. 3 colors of Mikhail Grigorenko. Out of 99. The Buffalo Sabres. The Buffalo is Frank, Smitty, Utah. The Brilliance autograph of Seth Jones for the Nashville Predators. Seth Jones, the Preds. I should actually make this a little bit smaller just so I can see everything. Going out to Colin, PC Cameron. And a Bo Bennett auto rookie patch for the Pittsburgh Penguins. That's going out to where's the Penguins? Puck HD 27 going out to Peter. And autograph rookie of Eric Jelena for the New Jersey Devils. Not the tin that we were probably hoping to see here, so going out to Frank, Smitty, Utah on Eric Jelena, but very nice hit here on the Frederick Anderson. So the last 2 boxes, I don't know if you guys want to let me know if we should just list them as a double and just do it there, or just list both singles and just bust them at the same time type thing, or just put them in a little mixer on our breaker page there. So let me know what you guys want to do on those, and aside from that, we'll get these ones shipped out to you guys soon. So thanks again, everyone.